Hey everyone, it's Danae at the Russ Darrow Group, and I'm here today to talk about insurance. Today is actually Insurance Awareness Day, which I'm sure many of you didn't know. I'm not really sure about the origin of this holiday, I guess you could call it that, but what is widely known is the importance of insurance. Insurance is set in place to protect the people from the harshest of unexpected events. So, whether it's a car accident or a fire, that's why insurance is set in place. Now, what many of you might not have known also is the Russ Darrow Group actually offers many different types of insurances, from auto insurance, home insurance, renter's insurance, and motorcycle insurance. We even offer insurance for toys such as ATVs, RVs, and boats. So if you're coming to Russ Darrow, or even if you haven't come to Russ Darrow, feel free to stop by and check us out at russdarrowinsurance.com. We often can help people too who haven't had insurance for a long time, or even if it's just been a little bit. We are working with quite a few different companies. We have over 7 different companies that we work with that are very close to us. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, or if you're looking for a new vehicle, feel free to reach out. Again, it's Danae at the Russ Darrow Group. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.